Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look using the Power Potion lipstick. As always, I started off with my eyes, and the first eyeshadow that I used was in the shade called Iced Mocha, and I applied this all over the eyelids. Then I went over the top with just a tiny amount of the eyeshadow in the shade called Violet Vixen to add a purple tint to the eyelids. Focusing on the eyelids, not going above the crease, because whenever I'm using color, I just like to be cautious about keeping the color focused on the eyelids and not bringing it up all the way to the brow bone. You could take this makeup look a step further and really go all out with the purple theme by using the eggplant eyeliner, but I wanted to try to keep this makeup look somewhat natural looking, even though I am using a lot of color. And so I decided to skip the eyeliner and just go straight to the mascara, which I applied about 2 coats of this, keeping the lashes a little bit more soft because this lip color is quite bold. So after the eyes, I went ahead and I applied the Power Potion lipstick, and what I did is I just dabbed the color on to create more of a stain. This lip color is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. You definitely do not need a lot of it, but if you wanted a much bolder lip, you could go all out with this. Overall, I really like this makeup look. I like it much better today than the other day. I went just a little too much with the makeup look, and I think when you have a bold lip, you can still wear colorful eyeshadows. You just want to keep it, like I said, a little bit more subdued and not super heavy, and also wearing the lipstick more as a stain helps as well. When you wear this lipstick as a stain, it's kind of more like pinky purple than wine. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments down below what the weather is like where you're at, because it is freezing cold here, which I don't like saying because relatively speaking, it's not actually that cold in comparison to other places, so I feel a little guilty complaining about it being cold. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and take care. Bye!